Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix when the keyboard is not working in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will begin with going first to our settings. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then select the settings option. And then once you're in the settings, all you need to do is just to go to the accessibility option here in the left pane. So please make a click on that. And then you will get this kind of window here. All you need to do is just to look for filter key. So just please scroll down first. We will look for keyboard option here in the interaction section. So once you click on keyboard, we will now be seeing this filter keys option. You can set the sensitivity of the keyboard so it can ignore brief or repeated keystrokes. So once you have turned this one on, then this will do the action, set the sensitivity, and you can also have these options on. Just click on this button here to turn them on, and then once you're done with this one, just please close this window and then make a quick restart with your PC so that the settings will be applied. And then the next thing we need to do is to go to the device manager. So simply make a right click again in the Windows icon and then click on device manager option. So once you're in the device manager window, all you need to do is just to go to the keyboard tab or keyboard options, and then you will be now shown with the keyboard driver that you have there in your device. All you need to do is just to make a right click on that, and then the next thing you need to do is to go to the standard keyboard just like this one. And once you made the right click, please select the update driver option. Click on the search automatically for drivers if you're connected with an internet. And if you're not, then you can also go with the browse my computer for drivers. I'll be showing you how you can do it in both of the options. So please select the first one. And then once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then we can now go back to the prior window and select the browse my computer for drivers. So once you click on this one, you will get this kind of window. So just proceed with let me pick from a list of available drivers. And here you can now select the driver or the device driver that you want to install for this hardware. Just please make sure that the one that you install is the latest one. And then after selecting it, just please click on next, and then just wait for the notification that says the Windows has successfully updated your device or driver. So once you're done with the updating session, you can also uninstall that one. So let me just go back to that window quickly. You can also uninstall the driver if it doesn't work after all the process that we have made. So please click again on the keyboard option, and then you can click on uninstall device here by just clicking this uninstall device option and then click on uninstall. And you can also scan or click this scan for hardware changes if the keyboard standard driver is now already uninstalled. So please click on this scan for hardware changes option. And once you have done that, just close this window and make a quick restart. It will automatically reinstall the driver, keyboard driver in your device. And once you have done that, see now if the problem is already fixed. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.